right. Here's, since I was required to move from where I used to live, I lost some things. Well, it's not really lost. They were stolen and then thrown away. And this is my attempt to get some of that stuff back. It's going to take a while. Not going to be cheap. Because I bought stuff like this when it originally came out while I was able to buy it. And one of the things I was able to get or had was one of those Galoob Sneak Previews movie loop, Super 8mm movie loop viewers. And I had 6 of them. And this was one of the 6. And I found it online. Hopefully I can find the viewer for not too much. I didn't spend a whole lot for it originally, and I'm not going to spend a whole lot for it now. I don't care if I find them in the packaging. They're going to get opened up anyway. So, this is one of them. It's still in the packaging. I've already left feedback for this guy. I've held back opening it up from the purchase. And oh wow, he has a backer board on this. There we go. And it is the Knight Rider loop. And you can see light reflects off of this little sticker, goes through the aperture right there and into the magnifying glass. Now I don't know why it's, anybody can shrink wrap stuff anymore. But I intend to open this. There's my, here it is. This is my tetanus blade. Anybody. And this is the loop. I had 6 of them. I had, well, I'm not going to mention what 6 ones, but this is one of the 6. Now I have 5 more to find and a player. And I can actually open that up and, well, collectible card. Yeah, if you want to cut it out and collect it. I didn't want to collect them. Continuous loop. A better way of doing the Fisher-Price movie viewer, because these never get stuck. And the little thing that goes in there, it uses a single AA battery, shows it at the right rate. And these are actually pretty cool. This is what kids used for entertainment back in the day when we didn't have computers or anything like that. Little clips of film were toys. And doesn't look like this is faded. We're going to have to... Well, the ones I had up until about 3-4 years ago had not faded. Let me take a look. If it's still relatively black, it is not red faded. I have some. That's what we used to do with the Fisher-Price cartridges that went into the Fisher-Price Kids Viewer. The film would get jammed up eventually. I don't know how. It would jump the rails. And there's one about live-action bears going through Yellowstone somewhere. I don't know if I still have it. That was one of the ones that got jammed. I wish it hadn't. These aren't easy to find anymore. Anyway, I don't have any more in this. But it's Knight Rider. Woo! Enjoying a bit of a resurgence lately. All right. Am I going to open it up? Eventually. I mean, I want to get the other 5 loops in a viewer. I think I had some video of the one I used to have on my potato camera. So anyhow, that's it.